Hello there and welcome again to my online tutorial. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Today I will take you through part 2 of the online application of transfer through the TSC online system. Now we shall do this in 2 sections. Section 1, I will show you how the heads of institution can recommend a transfer through the heads of institution portal. And then section 2, I'll show you how they can do this through the institutional email address. Now remember to subscribe at the end of this tutorial so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Welcome. So in the address bar, key in the TSC website. Now we are on the home screen. You are welcome to the updates. So cancel the updates, and then we have these tabs. You can see when I hover my mouse on these tabs, we have drop downs. So move until you get to online services. On the online services, you move down until you get to human resource management information system for the teachers, and then you move across. We have these side tabs. We have the one for transfer. Remember, in my previous tutorial I used this to illustrate how teachers can apply for transfer. Now below it we have the heads of institution portal, so click and we'll be taken to this window. So in this section we'll enter the TSC number. I'll be typing some guidelines on my screen, so I'm slow in typing. I'll take some time in doing this. Enter your TSC number. Next, you type in your national identification number. So enter your ID in this section. Enter your ID number. Then finally, you now key in your mobile phone number. And your handset should be near your reach, because that is where the 6-digit authorization code will be sent to, and that is a security feature to enable you log in to the system. So click on log in once you are done. So let me key in the TSC number 5156 9862. I'll also key in the ID number 24 86 60 25 5. Then finally I'll key in the mobile phone number 0735298543, and then you click on the login once you are done. So this is step number 1, is step number 2, and then we have step number 3. So you can now log in. Now once you click on login, you will be taken to this window where you need to enter the 6-digit authorization code in this section. So as you wait for the code, let me write something here. So enter the 6-digit code. A message has just arrived in my phone, so I'll go and read the 6-digit code, and I'll key it in this section. So enter the 6-digit authorization code. So I'll key it into this section. It is 567298. Once you are done, click on login. This is the login button. You click to log in. Now when you click on login, you'll come to this window or screen where you'll be shown all the applications for transfers within the institution, if at all they are there. You can see we have 2 applications. So this window will show all the transfer. This window will show all the transfer requests. Within the institution. Also the leave, application for leave will appear in this section under the heads of institution portal. And then you can see under remarks, it is actually blank. This is where the heads of institution recommendation will appear. Once he or she does the recommendation, it will appear in this section. So the heads of institution recommendation will appear here. It will appear in this section. Good. Now to recommend, you must click on the action button. This is the action button. Now click the action button to recommend. Click the action button to recommend. Once you click, the following dialog box will pop up where you need to enter the remarks. So for example, I can recommend this transfer only with suitable replacement. You know, if you are a teacher and you come across this kind of recommendation, you won't be happy. You know what it means. So recommended with suitable replacement. It means with that replacement, no transfer. Next, once you are done with the recommendation section, you now check the declaration box and click the OK button. So once you click the OK button, you come to this window and you can see the recommendation by the heads of institution. So that's how they can do it under the heads of institution portal. Let's move to section 2. But before you do that, let me write some guideline here. The heads of institution recommendation. So you can see the remark section. It is no longer blank. There's a recommendation there. So we move to the next section. Now I'm in the email box. This is the Gmail, and you can see the notification there, a forwarded message. So recommendation through the institutional email address. We want to ensure that we have some guidelines on what you're supposed to do. And as I've said, I'm slow in writing on the keyboard. So just be patient. We are about to finish the process. Now this is the link forwarded through the email address. Click on the link. Just click on this link. Click on this link in your mailbox. That's the heads of institutions mailbox. You'll be taken to this screen or window where you can do the recommendation. You can see at the top there, you can type in your recommendation. Once you're done, you now check the yes button. I believe you can see it on the screen. So check the yes button, and then finally you click to submit your recommendation. This is the final step, and once you click this button, the transfer request will be now taken to the next step. It is no longer under the heads of the institution mandate. So thank you for watching, and I believe this has been insightful for those who are yearning to apply for transfers. So thank you for watching. See you next. Bye.